welcome to another unboxing video for the front LED DRL kit for the Volkswagen Transporter T5.1. Let's take a closer look. So here we have the two bumper panels, the LEDs are already fitted, and we have a nice finished off gloss black. These can be left as they are or they can be colour coded. So within this kit comes the matte black insert stickers for the panels, and they go just here as shown. They also come with two chrome strips which look like this, and they are fitted just here, and they stick on with a peeled plastic back. The kit comes with all the necessary wiring, the cable ties as shown here, the wire connectors and the resistors. There is also some basic fitting instructions, and let's take a closer look. These lights are fully road legal and they are MOT compliant. They are also fully E-marked. Let's get them illuminated. Remember, the instructions are available as a guide to help you. Once the wiring is all connected together, there are three wires. The earth wire, which is the black one, which has the eye on it. There is the red wire, which makes the DRL illuminate brightly, which needs joining to the daytime running light feed behind the headlight. The blue wire needs joining the same way, but to the dipped beam. This makes it illuminate dim.